It's 6 p.m. and you're tired of staring at your fridge, wondering what to cook for dinner. This recipe will change everything. Today, I'm sharing with you honey garlic chicken that is super easy and stress-free. It's ready in just 20 minutes and uses pantry staples. Let's jump right in and see how easy this is. For this dish, you will need chicken thighs. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Cut them all into 1-inch pieces. Carrots, broccoli. Cut the broccoli up into florets. Make sure that the florets are small enough to match the pieces of chicken. You do not want your broccoli to be too big, or it will overpower the chicken in the final presentation. And you will need to call it honey garlic broccoli dish. Cornflour. Garlic that's finely chopped. More cornflour for the cornstarch slurry. You make the cornstarch slurry by mixing cornflour with water. Stir till all the cornflour dissolves. Cut the chicken up into 1-inch pieces. You can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I prefer chicken thighs. Coat the chicken with the corn flour. Give them a good mix. Then set it aside. For the sauce, use water or chicken broth, soy sauce, honey, some chili sauce. You can use any type of chili sauce you like, or you can leave it out altogether. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add in the oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your chicken and put them in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes. When the bottom is brown, something like this, flip it over and fry the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the carrots, broccoli and garlic. Fry them all for about a minute to activate the garlic fragrance. Add your sauce. Bring all this to a boil and cover. Let the steam develop in the wok to soften the vegetables. When the vegetables are softened, this should take about 3 minutes or so. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it's the way you like it to be, add half the amount of cornstarch slurry. Remember to stir the cornstarch slurry, as most of the cornflour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. After stirring in the cornstarch slurry, the sauce would have thickened within a couple of seconds. If it's not thick enough, add in the rest of the cornstarch slurry. And there you have it, our mouth-watering honey garlic chicken that is ready in minutes. Let me know in the comments below what other dishes you would like to see. If you enjoy how effortless this was, check out my other easy to follow recipes right here. And I'll see you in my next one.